All right, this is stock number 50490. It's a Hardinge model HLV-H, super precision toolmaker's lathe, serial number HLV-H 2598. It's equipped with inch threading, has a 5-inch 3-jaw chuck, 5C collet with miscellaneous collets, Loris tool post, and coolant distributor. Not shown is a little chip guard for the rear side of the machine.
Yeah, I was just going to mention, we don't have it on there just so we can kind of walk around and see the back camera. It's just a flat shield on there. So, right. I'll go around the side a little bit here, the back side, and show the machine, and we'll come up front and run some stuff. Collet changer. We don't have the cluster in here, I guess, Pete, but that all works really nice. It's clean. Looks nice. We'll run that in a minute. Collet closer. I don't even have a collet in there, but that all works good. Pump works. I won't run it because I think it's got some oil in there. I don't want to shoot it out all over the floor. Switchgear panel down low. We're running 220 volts right now on this one. It's low voltage with the electrical schematic on the door, which is nice to have. So, and yeah, not much back here. Like I said, the pump, and you can get a good look at the rear of the machine though from here. So. The ways look nice. I just brought the oil up. That's from the oil pumps. That's working nice. I moved that up and down 2 or 3 times. Tailstock. That all moves. It all moves really nice here. So this is nice stuff. Bring this up. Lock it up a little bit. Dial. I think we're open, right? Sure. Maybe get a look at the quill as you come around, and I'll bring it out a little bit so you can see. Nice condition. Bring it back in, and yeah, a few other areas. We'll play with the power feed here in a minute, but it all works. The lock, I'm going to leave it open. These are the 2 feed knobs. We'll leave those there. I didn't really check out to see the half nut when we're playing with it. I'll see if I can bring that in when we're through. Bring the threading dial in, and of course the feed motor. Tool holder up top, spindle, and this is all standard Hardinge controls. I think we're on. Yeah, we're on. So there's low speed. I'm gonna open this guy up, and I'm low right now because I was playing with the threading, but I'm gonna hit the faster, slower button. You see it come up all the way to there. Limit switches work. We checked them all out. Go back down a little bit, maybe midstream. Right there. That's all good. As long as we're doing spindle, let's cover forward reverse right away. I'll stop the spindle. If you notice it's coming forward, stop, go to reverse, go back on again, low speed, and we're in reverse for what it's worth. Stop, dump that contactor, back into forward. We do have the threading box on right now. For the sake of listening to the spindle, I'll shut that off and I'll bring the spindle up in a minute. That was the faster, slower up here. Brake, let's go faster. Brake on, see 1, 2, 2.5 seconds, brake off, makes a little bit of a difference. Turn it on, so that works. I mentioned the collet closure, we don't have anything in there, but we just let that float right now. Threading, as I mentioned, on off, we can do that right now. Let me get down low, so we can play with this. Let me drop it down real low. And I think we're gonna have 1 right now, and I think we should be bringing it in whenever I engage this handle here. If you want to come over on this side, I'm just going to engage the threading lever. See? That's this guy here. And move over a little bit. That's the whole threading shaft. This lever and the change gears whenever you put the segment lever on. That's 1. You see what 2, and then it goes to 3, I think. There's 3. See how slow that is. And the last one is 2. And that's with threading on it. I haven't played with this yet, and we've also got that, which I can just bop around here a little bit. There. And you don't notice the difference really. That's incremental right there. So that all works good. And high speed. Oh, let's engage it. I haven't tried this yet. Let's see if the half nut comes in. I haven't even done this yet. There we go. Yep. We're threading. And right there, if we stop it, we're threading. Reverse, thread back out. Same thread. Nice setup. Put it back on again, the forward, take the half nut off. And let's go back on. So that's that. We'll do the spindle in a second. As long as we're here, I might as well do the feed drive too while I'm at it. So I'm just going to turn that on left and bring one in or both. Let's see which way we're going. That way and that way. Speed control, you slow down, which is nice. I'll dial it up a little bit here. And I'm going to leave it right there for a second. I'm going to stop. Let's go the other way. Again, works really nice. I'll dial it up some, 50, 60, or 70%. We're moving right along. 80, 85. That's not bad. Take one off. Take two off. It works. It just works. That said, what else we got? High-low, threading in and out. Just, we'll run up the spindle now. High speed, play around with that. Let me take threading off. Just going to turn it off. There we go. Let's just listen to the spindle. Let's listen to it at high. We'll take it all the way up. So we're about 600 right now. 11. Get up to 17 maybe. And all the way up. Pull out. We close this. That's no threading. Pull on. And back downward. Sounds nice. 23. Let me do a start, stop, and reverse. What can I do? Oh, reverse down here. Yeah, stop. Let's go the other way. Leave it at 23 we're at. 23, I'm going to reverse. Let's come up the other way, high speed. Come down a little bit. 17. Back to forward, and that'll be about it. Forward low. One more time. High. Come down to midstream maybe, 14. Back down to low. Off. We're done here. Oh, did you want to show the side cabinet, or are we okay?
Let's show it. Let's open it up.
All right, yeah, I forgot about that. There we go. A couple of things going on, some documentation for threading, which is nice to have. Unusual, nothing here. We got some counts in it, don't we? Yeah, there they are, sure. Small set, maybe the 30 seconds, and oh, there's the cluster gear.
Cluster gear.
I'm trying to
There's a chuck in there also.
I'm trying to pull the shelf out, but it won't come. Yeah, is there a chuck? Oh, there's a chuck back there. Okay, so yeah, it's all in there, complete. Sure enough. And like I said, the backstop is sitting in the aisle over there, and that's everything.